What's going on, guys? So today the car we're working on is a 2014 Toyota Corolla, and all we're doing is replacing this radio. This radio has a problem with the volume control. See if I can show you guys.
Or the startled darkness, a haunted house that's
Sometimes you turn it up or down and it won't go down.
Arizona is featuring Arizona's first interactive zombie.
There it is. Yeah, so we're gonna be replacing this radio and show you how easy it is. Remove this this entire plastic piece. It goes all around here. And it's all gonna come out as one piece. So there's the whole trim comes off as one piece. You can see it's all plastic clips. You don't need anything special for this, just maybe some prying tools. But if you get it from this side, this corner, then you can start pulling up on it. What you have is this connector here and this connector here, which is this guy and this guy. Next up, it's gonna have 4 10mm screws. It's got 2 on this side. Ooh, 2 on this side, and then after that this area should pull out, and then you can get to the connectors for the radio. Now you see the connectors, just unplug those and make sure yours plugs in the same way. There's the old one, there's the new one, well, new used. I just put this one back in and we'll see if everything works how it's supposed to. Got the new one installed. We'll try it out, see if everything works how it's supposed to, hopefully. It looks like it loaded up now. Continue. FM. This one looks like it works like it's supposed to. Good. Up, down. Now that we got the radio in, we know that it works. The volume control works good. Put all this back in, and all it is all clips, so you just gotta push it back in and you're all done. Hopefully this helps out if you're trying to take your radio out, and that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.